Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to enable night icon on Mega account. So first we're going to go to the Mega app. You guys can find it on the Play Store or App Store. Then next you're going to click on the menu section. Then once you're here, you're going to click on settings. Then you're going to click on user interface. Then once you scroll downwards, they're going to show the app icons available. So currently it's in default, so you're going to click on night. So once you go back and check the app icon, it's going to turn it into a night mode app icon. So that's how you basically do it. It's an easy tutorial. This is to show your preferences. Make sure to also check out other videos. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.